Hey friends, welcome back. Today I have you in my dining room because, as you know, I recently went on a trip for about a week, and when I got home I was surprised by some packages. One of my subscribers, Misty, sent me some things, and I just wanted to show you guys what she sent me. Now I did go ahead and open the boxes just to save some time in the long run, but I want to share with you what she sent. So it looks like she sent me some really cute dish towels. And I'm gonna go ahead and open these up because I wanna look at them. I just wanted to tell you, Misty, how much I really appreciate you doing this. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Now, I have a thing for cottagecore, anything like foresty, mushrooms, moths, and these are just adorable. These kitchen towels. Let me see if I can hold it up there for you to see it. It's got a little snail on it and some mushrooms. This is absolutely precious. Love these so much. And they're gonna get a lot of good use in my kitchen. Absolutely adorable. This one has a moon and a mushroom on it. I don't know if you can see that. Heather, if you're watching, get with Misty. I know you'll love these towels. They're so cute. And then this one is just a mushroom and forest pattern. So pretty. And then this other one, I'm not sure if they're the same or different, but let's have a look and find out. Oh, yep, these are different. This is butterflies. So cute. Love that. It's gonna look so good in my kitchen. More butterflies. This one's really pretty too. Thank you so much, Misty, for these towels. You're gonna be seeing these in all of my videos. All right, and then another box that she sent. These are notes that she sent, but I'm not gonna read those out loud because I think that they're kind of personal. And this one, she sent me the Ball Blue Book Guide to Preserving. And that's really great because I don't have this one. And I had, been looking at this for a while, and I just put it in my Amazon wish list, and now I have it, and I'm really glad to have it. And there's a lot of really good recipes in this, and I cannot wait to use this book here on the channel when I'm canning things. She also sent me The Art of Fermentation. I had originally saw this book on the Fermented Homesteads channel. She uses this book a lot, and from what I understand, it's a really good book. And I've just recently started really getting into fermentation, and I'm excited to have this to add to my collection. And the last box has like another set of towels. I'm gonna open these two just to see if they're different. Oh, they are. That is gorgeous. It has the moon phases on it, and then the sun. So pretty. Again, the moon phases, and mushrooms, and moths. Gosh, these are beautiful. That one has raspberries on it with the mushrooms. And this one is just the moon. And it looks like there's one more thing in this box. And this was kind of heavy. I noticed the logo on it and I kind of had an idea already of what it was. But she got me the Jim Beam limited edition 12-inch cast iron wok. And this is stunning. It is beautiful. I'm not a big drinker of Jim Beam, but I just really liked the design on this. Thought it was really nice. And this would be good for using on the grill or even, you know, on the kitchen stove or taking camping. And I think everybody should have at least one good cast iron wok. And on the bottom of it, it's branded. I don't know if that's gonna be backwards for you or not, but it's branded on the bottom. And it is gorgeous. It's nice and big. So I just wanted to take a second and say thank you again, Misty. I really appreciate the gifts. It was a nice surprise when I got home from vacation. And I don't want anybody to feel obligated to purchase anything off of my Amazon wish list, but if you did want to send something, you can find the link to the Amazon list down below in the description box. But that's all. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and show you all of the neat things that Misty got me. Until next time, friends, happy cooking.